Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to navigate Kraken dashboard. When you first log into Kraken, the dashboard might look a bit overwhelming. There are multiple sections like trading, funding, charts and setting. But once you understand what each part does, it becomes very easy to use. The dashboard is designed to help you track your balance, buy or sell crypto and manage your account all in one place. So first open to your Kraken app on your device. And the main section of the Kraken is there's a portfolio on the bottom here. This is your home screen. Under this home screen, it shows total account balance, value of your crypto, recent activity, and think of it as a wallet summary. And over here, you can buy your crypto, transfer it. This is where the real trading happens. Include charts, order type, market, trading pairs, and use this for the lower fees and better control. And that is it. This is how you can navigate Kraken dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.